If you're a veteran or active duty military, you've got access to one of the most powerful wealth building tools in America, and most people don't even realize it. I'm talking about the VA loan. Zero down, no mortgage insurance, competitive rates, but the real secret isn't just buying a home, it's using the VA loan strategically to create long-term wealth for you and your family. The VA loan is different from every other loan program because you can buy with zero down payment, there's no monthly mortgage insurance ever, the rates are typically some of the lowest on the market, and that combination puts you ahead from day one. Less cash out of pocket, lower monthly payments, and more equity growth over time. Most people wait years to save for a down payment, but with the VA, you can get into the market earlier. That means while others are renting and waiting, you're already in, building the equity as the home appreciates, locking in housing costs instead of watching rent rise, gaining tax advantages as a homeowner, and the earlier you start, the more years your money has to grow. Here's a strategy many don't know. You can actually buy a multi-unit property like a duplex or a fourplex using your VA loan. You can live in one unit, rent out the others, and let your tenants cover your mortgage. That means you're living for little or sometimes even nothing while building equity and gaining rental income. It's one of the fastest ways to turn your VA benefit into real wealth. A lot of veterans think the VA loan is a one-time benefit, and that's simply not true. You can use it over and over again. As long as you meet the eligibility rules, you can even have more than one VA loan at the same time in certain situations. This opens the door up to building a real estate portfolio, using VA to get into your first few properties, and then leveraging equity to expand. The VA loan also gives you access to one of the easiest refinances out there. It's called the IRRRL, also called the Streamline Refinance. It lets you lower your interest rate or payment with no appraisal, no income verification, very minimal paperwork. Smart refinances keep more money in your pocket and help you reinvest in your next opportunity. The VA loan just isn't about buying a house. It's about creating a foundation of wealth and security for your future. So buy sooner, house hack, reuse that benefit, and refinance smart when the time arises. If you served our country, don't leave this benefit on the table. It's one of the best financial tools you'll ever have. If you're ready to see how the VA loan can help you build wealth, let's talk. I'll walk you through your options and show you a plan to turn your service into a lasting legacy of financial freedom. Because you've earned this benefit. And when used wisely, it can change not just your housing situation, but your entire financial future.